Hi everyone, this is the be me packing the makeup I'm gonna take on my trip. This is the first time I'm packing makeup ever, so I'm like, I don't know, I kind of already know what I'm gonna pack, so hopefully the sound turns out good. I'm filming it. This is my little vanity. As you can see, some stuffs. I was trying to figure out angle, but angle's not good. So this is what I'm gonna be packing my stuff in. It's a little Give Me Glow makeup bag. It's pretty big in size comparison to my hand. So that's what I'm gonna pack my makeup in. For eye brushes, I'm taking, this is the Beauty Bakery ice cream one, and I'm bringing all those brushes plus this one. It's just one of those like more dome shaped ones. It's stained green a little bit. It's clean. It's just stained. Like a lot of my brushes starting to get stained. But that's what I'm taking for eye brushes. For face brushes, I'm taking, oh, and this one. I almost forgot about this one. Taking my little Eco Tools Kabuki little brush. Taking this little, it's like the same shape as the eyeshadow brush, but it's like for blush. Taking this one, and that's just from some Walmart like set. I'm taking this brush. This is a Eco Tools. I think this is from the Define and Highlight Duo. I use this as a blush brush though. So this is for if I want it more like loose, and this is for if I really want to like pack it on. I'm taking this highlight brush, which is this is an Eco Tools control setting, but I use it for highlight. And I'm taking this Sonia Kashuk foundation brush. It's angled slightly, is very dense. So yeah, those are all the face brushes I'm taking. And then I'm gonna take this NYX ombre blush. And this is in the shade Mauve Me. It's just a neutral, kind of dusty, slightly purple color. And I'm gonna take this ColourPop blush in, what is this called? Court of Miracles. It's the Esmeralda one. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take my current black mascara, which is the Milk Kush mascara, which I'm enjoying. Also gonna take my brown too, which is the Loreal Bambi Eye is my brown one right now. And now I'm gonna take my Brow Boss Gel from ColourPop. And then I'm gonna be taking my BH Cosmetics Love in London palette. And it looks like that. Now I'm gonna take my London Plus Pantone palette, which has all these pretty neutral shades too, and some greens, but I'm not gonna use the greens. Okay. Then I'm gonna take two highlighters. I'm gonna take this Too Faced. Oh look, you can see me. Too Faced Love Light Blinded by the Light highlighter. This is just a nice, like, kind of beigey color. Oh, you can't see a swatch. I don't know why the iPad like zooms in when you take videos, so I'm like, okay, I don't know. And then I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution, like the writing's kind of worn off, vivid beige highlighter, and this is in peach lights. This is like a pinky color, so I have like a more neutral light wash and then more like intense kind of pinky color if I want that. Next, I'm gonna take my concealer that I'm currently using, just in case I need it. I mean, I only use it for spot concealer. This is the Cosmetics by Under Eye Concealer in the shade, it's not focusing, light, and parentheses says ultra fair. I don't know what that really exactly means, but whatever. And I'm gonna take my Tarte Amazonian clay. They recently repackaged this, and I think they reformulated it too. I have the old packaging. I've had this for a while. But yeah, this is in the shade, I think it's just fair light beige, but mine says fairly for some reason. But on the website it has always said fair. I bought this in Sephora. I don't know why. Maybe it was just a typo on this, like on a batch or something, but I don't know. I'm also gonna take, sorry, I repositioned, so I'm also gonna take these two eye pencils. This is the NYX Faux White in White Smoke. This is the light purple shade. This is my most used of my two faux whites. But I really love these faux white pencils. I use them all the time. I'm gonna take this ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade No Shame. And then I'm gonna take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. To take this Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream for like a cool tone option. And oh yeah, it doesn't say the name on here. What is this? It's called Go Nude. That's the name of it. Also want to take this. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but I want to take this. This is Burts Bees, some kind of, I think it's like satin lipstick in the shade Suede Splash. I'm just don't fall over anything. Trying to get into my lip glosses. Also to take my So Juicy gloss that I have. This is in the shade Beachwood. I'll take that. I'm gonna take this little Bare Minerals Gen Nude gloss. This was from some set. It says Pout. I don't know what set it was. My sister bought it. This set, not me. And I just have like two things from that set. Sorry, I took a pause there because I was like, I thought I wanted to add another lip gloss, but I couldn't remember what it was. And then I guess it wasn't something I had. So yeah, last two items, I think. I'm trying to remember everything. This is the primer I'm taking. I'm only taking one primer. This is the number 7 Skin Illuminator Natural Looking Radiance for a Beautiful Glow. You can use this as like a subtle highlight or like a primer. I just use this as a primer. I got this in some set that had makeup and skincare from number 7, and I like it. It's very similar to the Becca backlight, although the Becca backlight the Becca one sets down nicer and it's more goldeny, while this is more kind of lighter, almost more towards white, but I think it's still like just a lighter gold. It's like a white gold maybe, but yeah, they're pretty similar. And then I'm gonna take my eye primer. I almost forgot about this. This is the eye primer I'm currently using. It's a full size of that Urban Decay Primer Pro Sheen, an original. I think that's it. And then I think I'm gonna reposition, and then I'm gonna show me packing up everything. So yeah. So I almost forgot powder, but I'm gonna take my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. You're like on my bed, right by my pillows, so there's a kitty right here. You can see my vanity mirror right there. It's like my table's right up there. So let's pack everything up. So I'm gonna do the palettes first that I can just, like this one can just fit right in here, so why is that in there? I don't know how people film these videos. Maybe they have better setups than I do. And I'm going to do my face products because they take up the next most of my room. I'm not sure if this will fit in there, but I think I'm just see how everything else fits and then see. I'm going to do foundation and face primer and just throw everything else on top. Oh, I tried to run away. This is fun. Like, overhead will probably be better, but like, yeah. There's a little pocket right here. I have like 2 of these little makeup remover wipes, like individual packs that I've gotten recently, so yeah. Then this, I don't know, is a little wide for it, so I may see if I can rearrange things, and then, but that's basically what everything fits in here. It's really nice. I could probably fit way more in here too. It's a really nice bag, and I got it for like $1, and I like the pom-pom. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye.